Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2. We'll be presenting about our case study, which is Revlon Incorporated. So, this is our group member. Start with Muhammad Izzuan bin Suhardi, Nurul Syamim Najwa binti Zakaria, Nurul Ezah binti Rosli, Nur Farah binti Muhammad Fasli, and the last one is Muhammad Azhar bin Muhammad Firdaus. First, what is Revlon? Revlon is a prominent company in the beauty and personal care products industry headquartered in New York City. Revlon envisioned itself as a pioneering force in the global beauty industry, continuously delivering transformative and cutting-edge beauty products that captivate consumers worldwide. Revlon's mission is to curate, manufacture, market, and distribute a diverse range of beauty and personal care products to meet the evolving desire and needs of consumers. Revlon has set forth several key objectives to guide its strategic direction and drive its future success, which is first, to fortify its portfolio of iconic brands. Second, cultivating strong connection with consumers. Third, to foster meaningful relationship with its customer. And last but not least, to ensure the availability of its product.
Is the Competitive Profile Matrix (CPM). CPM is a strategic tool used to analyze a firm's major competitors and assess their strengths and weaknesses in relation to a sample firm's strategic position. It consists of 4 components, which are crucial success factors, weight, ratings, and scores. Based on the CPM study, L'Oreal SA emerged as the most powerful firm due to its comparable strength in pricing, customer loyalty, financial position, and international growth. Estée Lauder companies excel in product quality, innovation, promotion, and financial standing, while Revlon Inc., with its strong market share, product quality, and customer loyalty ratings, remains competitive in the industry. However, it received an average grade of 3 in areas such as innovation, advertising, pricing, financial standing, and worldwide growth. Avon Products is identified as the least strong among the competitors, lacking comparative advantage over others. The next is the External Factor Evaluation Matrix, which is EFE. EFE is a strategic tool that enables strategies to evaluate the opportunities and threats faced by the company. It assesses the external factors that impact the company, including competitive force, technology advancement, governmental regulations, environmental factors, and so on. In overall, a weak score of 2.9, which is within the range of 1.0 to 4.0, was assigned. This rating shows that the Revlon strategic position is generally moderately solid, but some areas still need to be improved to fully take advantage of opportunities and defend against threats. In order to preserve its competitiveness and take advantage of the opportunities that have been identified, Revlon must take the most of its strengths and fix its shortcomings, while also minimizing external dangers that may pose a threat. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Next, for the Internal Factor Evaluation (IFE) metric, the Internal Evaluation Metric (IFE) is a valuable tool used to conduct a comprehensive analysis of a company's internal strengths and weaknesses across its various functional areas. This metric allows organizations to assess and prioritize their internal factors and provide crucial insight for strategic decision making. Based on the table of Internal Factor Evaluation Metric, we can conclude that overall, the total weight score represents the overall evaluation of Revlon's strengths and weaknesses. With a total weight score of 2.75, it indicates that the strengths outweigh the weaknesses to some extent, but there are still areas that require attention and improvement. Strategic initiatives can be implemented to leverage the strengths and address the weaknesses to enhance Revlon's competitive position and long-term success in the beauty and cosmetic industry. Next, for the strategy formulation, the first one is SWOT analysis. The SWOT analysis provides a fundamental analytical tool which helps organizations in creating 4 different sorts of plans. These 4 aspects of your business may be evaluated using a SWOT analysis. SWOT is an acronym for Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities, and Threats. This is Revlon SWOT analysis. Based on the information, this analysis is an instrument that could help Revlon to determine its advantage over rival and design an effective long-term strategy. SWOT analysis may also highlight areas of the organization that are impeding development or that competitors might capitalize on if a company fails to implement precautions to protect itself. Next, this is a Revlon long-term strategy based on SWOT analysis. Strength opportunity strategy, weakness opportunity strategy, strength threat strategy, and weakness threat strategy are 4 different types of strategy that can be used in SWOT analysis. For the purpose of attempting to benefit from external possibilities, strength opportunity strategy make use of a company's internal capabilities, while weakness opportunity tactic work to strengthen internal deficiency by seizing chances from the outside world. Strength threat strategy make use of a company's advantage to prevent or lessen the effect of external threat. Not to mention, weakness threat technique are defensive measures meant to counteract internal weaknesses and prevent external dangers.
The strategy, position and action, which is base metric, are the 4 quadrant framework indicating whether aggressive, conservative, defensive or competitive strategies are most appropriate for given organization. The space metric is made up of the internal and external strategy dimension. The factors analyzed under the internal strategy position, external strategy dimension, financial strength position, and stability competitive position of the organization. The financial strength factors often include leverage, liquidity, and asset ratio. Competitive position of the organization includes the product quality, market share, customer loyalty, and so on. Besides that, the external strategy dimension is affected by the whole environment of the industry, such as the overall economic condition, inflation, and industry growth potential. So, from this table show for the internal strategic position, the financial position has high rating, which 4 is the utilizing mergers, acquisition, and joint ventures. Meanwhile, for the external strategy, the stability position, which is SP, get high return, which is 5, intensive stability. The total average for the internal strategy position are 3.3 and the external position also 3.3. The internal strategy position are the competitive position. The company's manufactures most of its products are -5. The insecure employee -3 and the focus on male -4. The total average -4. Moreover, in the external strategy for the industry position, which is IP, the growth potential and profit potential, same rating which are -3. The 4 internal total average which are -4. Besides, the aging of US cosmetic customers and the expanding US market are same rating which are -5. The total average external strategy are -4. The conclusion, X-axis competitive position which are SP plus financial position which are FP are -0.7, and for the Y-axis the industry position which are IP plus the stability position which are SP are -0.7 also. This graph shows that the coordinates for the x-axis and y-axis are both -0.7. Therefore, the instruction axis indicated Revlon company should use the defensive approach according to examination of the company's financial, industry, stability, and competitive positions.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Azhar. I will present to you the QSPM for the Revlon company. What is QSPM? In simple term, QSPM is a statistical tool for formulating and ranking potential and approaches. The purpose is to evaluate plan based on established success criteria and support strategy decision making. Basically, this tool starts with identify key strategy factor. Second is assign attractiveness score. Third is to determine weight, relative importance. Next is calculate total attractiveness score. And lastly, identify priority strategy. As you can see in this slide, there was QSPM for Revlon company, who selected the 3 best strategy that related to the vision, mission and objective company. The strategy are market penetration, product development and market development. For the key factors, it's divided by 2 sections. The first section is external factor such as opportunity and threat. The second section is internal factors such as strength and weakness. In the opportunity part, there were 4 factors, which is the huge demand for innovative product, increased personal care usage, restructuring of initiative and offline operation, while the threat is intense competition, high price product, substitution product, and the concern from customer about the safety product. For the strength is celebrity endorsement, established US market, strong brand recognition, and ability to manufacture product in-house. For the weakness factor are high price than competitors, large amount of advertising expenses, globalization, and lastly, lack of product diversification. All key factors will compare to the strategy in terms of how much this factor influence the strategy. The key factor will multiply by week based on group discussion. As you can see here, the total for the external factor show the market penetration score is 3.3, while market product development score is 3.15, and lastly, market development is 2.55. While for the internal factor, market penetration is 3.0, product development is 2.85, and lastly, market development is 2.5 at last. This strategy will show the sum total attractiveness score, which is external factor plus the internal factor result. As you can see here, sum attractiveness score for market penetration is 6.3, product development is 6.0, and lastly, market development is 5.05. That's all from me.
In conclusion, Revlon has established itself as a prominent force in the beauty and personal care industry through its innovative product, strategic acquisition, and commitment to meeting the evolving needs of consumers. Based on the analysis of 3 best strategies, it is recommended that Revlon adopt a market penetration approach as the optimal plan of action. This strategy holds the potential to increase revenue and market share by capitalizing on customer loyalty and leveraging existing products. By implementing differentiation techniques and investing in advertising, marketing, and public relation efforts, Revlon can successfully penetrate the market and achieve its objective of fostering meaningful relationship with its customer. That's all from us. Thank you.